How to change password on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I am going to show you how you can change password on Spotify. There is no any settings in the application to change the password of your Spotify. So simply go on any web browser you have and type spotify.com. Make sure that you are logged in here. And after that you will be appeared on this home screen. Scroll down and you will see the option of change password under the section of security and privacy. Click on change password option and you will be appeared on this home screen. Here enter your current password as well as rewrite your new password 2 times, and after that click on the green button that says set new password. And once you do that, your password will be updated on your Spotify account. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.